What's up, YouTube? We're back with another video, and it's been a while. So I got rid of my AMC Javelin, and I got this lovely 1948 Chevy Fleetline. As you can see, it has a. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. It's a little bit dirty, but I washed it. It's just got some rust. I was gonna preserve the patina, but I think I'm gonna custom paint it. As you can see, you know, cartoons life matter, so I like custom painting. Anyway, so I've been sanding. I've made it as far as this fender here, and I got a little bit on the hood there. Anyway, so I'm gonna try this Naval jelly. It says it removes rust, yada yada. I tried some other kind of gel. I don't remember what it was. It did not work. You know, we all want to do a really quick job and get this thing sanded down. And sanding is taking a while. So I figured if I can take a shortcut, throw on some Naval jelly, throw on some rust remover, wash it all off, see what happens. Anyways, I got the Naval jelly on. You can see all over the car. Not all this is rust. Some of it's just the color fading over time. Anyways, so we got Naval jelly on it. And we're going to wash it off here in a minute. And we're going to see what Naval jelly can do versus a 80-year-old car. This is a 1948. So we'll say 80 years. Let me go turn my water on, and we will get this party started. I'm glad I get my new garage because all this walking's not for me. Water's coming on. I gotta cut down these trees too. All these trees. Anyways, let's get this Naval jelly going. It's been on there about, it says 5 or 10 minutes, but honestly, it's been on there for about 22 minutes probably now. Let's see what Naval jelly can do to this. And it says if it's still rust to, you know, reapply another coat, but we're gonna see what this first coat can do of Naval jelly. Let's see, here we go. Got it on jet. You don't want it in your skin, so make sure I back up. I'm not seeing any difference, people. Not any difference at all. I don't think Naval jelly touched this. It did here. So it does work on chrome. It says don't put it on chrome, but I did right here on this top section here of this grill. And yeah. It seems to work on the chrome. There's a few little spots there. You see the black kind of touch it up. I know my wire brush would shred this stuff. It's just, it takes longer, obviously. Got some up here. Gonna knock this off. Let's see if we got anything going. We got a little bit of black, a little bit of rust is gone, not much. Let's see, we got some here. Not really seeing a difference, folks. We got a little bit here. So far, I am not impressed with Naval jelly or the other gel I was using. Let me wash this off right here. Take a look at this right here. Let's see what's going on. See if you can't hear me. I can't really tell it did any good. The rust is still there. I mean, I'm not expecting it to be a miracle. I'm just figuring, you know, give it a shot, see what happens. And worst case scenario, keep on sanding. This ain't my first classic that I've sanded by hand. It's my last. Anyways, so Naval Jelly, I am sorry, but you did not get a thumbs up from me. I'm not impressed. I mean, I had the Naval Jelly everywhere on this fender, and you can see, the Naval Jelly is still on there, and I don't see any rust. No difference. No difference, people. So, Naval Jelly, you get a thumbs down, and that's the end of this video. We will try again another day with another product. I'm thinking about trying Evaporust next, because it's supposed to be the top 3 best rust removers. And I might try some muriatic acid. Who knows? We'll see. Alright, stay tuned.